Now, a common complaint we get with Sharks is that the brush roller will not activate when the handle is lowered to vacuum the carpet. The issue typically is with this micro switch here. Now, if you listen, you can hear the click of the micro switch activating. If yours is not doing that, you're going to want to have it repaired by your local repair facility, because oftentimes these are not easy to get off and they may require soldering or other methods to get a new micro switch on or to fix the one you have. Another common issue is that these wires right here will become brittle over time as the handle is lifted up and put back down over and over again. And sometimes these wires here need to be resoldered together or rewired. Again, check with your local repair facility and see if they can do that for you. But those are usually common complaints that we get with the brush roller not turning on.